Hey friends, what's up? Today let's learn Scratch basics. In my previous video I showed you how to download Scratch. I hope you all set. Let's get started. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Go to your desktop and double click on the Scratch icon to load it. This may take a few seconds. First of all, let me introduce you to the basic concepts. Backdrop is an image that can be shown on the stage or program. You can select a backdrop by clicking on this icon and select from any of these multiple options. Sprites are the images on a Scratch computer program screen. Every Scratch program is made up of sprites and the instructions that control them. By default, you'll see a cute kitty sprite when you start a new program. You can add a new sprite by clicking on this icon and select from any of these multiple options based on your requirements. Now let's look at the blocks. Motion blocks are used to control a sprite's movement. You can glide, move, or turn the sprites using them. Motion blocks are color-coded medium blue. Look blocks are used to control the sprite's appearance. They are color-coded purple. The costume option helps to change the looks of the sprite, and the say option shows the speech bubble. Next, let's look at sound blocks. As the name suggests, sound blocks are used to control sound functions. Sound blocks are color-coded magenta pink. Event blocks are used to trigger the action based on the event. For example, if you want to execute an action at the start of a program, you select When Green Flag Clicked event. If you want to move the cute kitty sprite, when I click it, we can use When Sprite Clicked event. Control blocks are used to control the flow of commands. For example, if we want to wait, we can take Wait 1 second block. If we want to run the code for forever, we can use the forever block. Let's try a simple program using these basic concepts. The kitty will walk and greet us by saying hello when the green flag is clicked. Go to File and click New. Select the kitty sprite. Let's go to the Events and select When Green Flag Clicked event and drag and drop it to the code area. You can easily drag by holding the left mouse button, dragging the block to the code area, then release. Now go to Looks blocks and drag and drop Say Hello for 2 seconds block. You can change the message by typing your own message. I'm going to change it to Hello Ash. We can adjust the time for how long it's going to show the message by just changing the seconds. I'll change it to 3 seconds. Let's try it by clicking the green flag. Hooray! The kitty did exactly what we programmed. Now let's add a backdrop. Click on the backdrop icon to select the backdrop. I'll select the jungle backdrop, but you can select any you like. Now let's move the kitty. Go to Motion blocks and drag and drop Move 10 Steps block to the code area. But this will move the kitty only one time. If you want to make it look like the kitty is walking, we need to use a forever control. Let's go to Control blocks and drag and drop Forever block right near to the Move block. We have to fit the move code that we want to run multiple times into the Forever block. Let's run our code. Oh, the kitty is not walking, but it is running. Stop the code by pressing on the red button and take the kitty back to the start position. Let's add a wait block to slow down that cheeky kitty. Go to Control block section and drag and drop Wait 1 second block after the move steps. and change the time to 0.5 seconds. Let's try running again by clicking on the green flag. Now the kitty is not moving, but it's gliding. Don't forget to stop the code by pressing on the red button. Let's try click the Costumes tab at the top. We can see that the kitty actually has 2 costumes, and if we keep changing them, it looks like it's taking steps. You can try changing the costumes after every 10 steps. Go to the Code tab. Go to Looks and select Next Costume. Drag and drop it into the Forever section. Now let's see how it looks. Voila! The kitty greeted me and then walked. To make it realistic, we should add some sound effect. We'll add another when green flag clicked event and forever block, as we did before, quickly. Now go to the Sound tab at the top. Click on the Choose Sound option. Search for jungle and select it when you find it. Now click on the Code tab again. Go to Sound Blocks. Drag and drop Play Sound Until Done to the new Forever block. Now to run our program. Yay! It works! Let's set the start location for the kitty so that we don't have to manually move the kitty every time we run the program. Move the kitty to the start of the stage. Go to Motion Block and select Go to X and Y. Drag and drop it after the when green flag clicked event at the start. Hooray! We don't need to take the kitty back to the start every time. Wow, that's amazing! Let's save our project. Go to File and click Save to your computer. You can change the folder location if you wish. You can give it a name and click on that little save button. I hope you enjoyed the session. You can state your name and give a thumbs up if you were able to finish it. And also post your queries in the comment section and I'll be able to help. Bye. See you next time.